You might be looking for how to make the most of the videos that you're creating, whether here on YouTube or otherwise. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about some key ways that you can use a video when it comes to blogging. My name is Anita, and I own FDS Creatives. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I help business owners get more visible through video marketing and content repurposing. I want you to hit the like button below if you like working smarter rather than harder, and go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to be a cozy spot in your inbox. I really try to provide actionable, helpful things to help you with your business. Tune in to this channel every week for new videos. All right, today we're going to talk about turning your videos into blog posts. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. Of course, you can take any video that you have and actually embed it in a blog post. This is going to allow people to be able to watch it on your website. YouTube will actually provide the embed codes for you. Even if you're not someone who's using YouTube for your business, you can upload those videos as unlisted and then use the embed codes from below to actually embed them into your website. Do know that videos that are unlisted on YouTube don't count towards your watch time if you are trying to reach goals towards monetization. But if you're not trying to grow YouTube, that might not be on your to-do list, and so that might not matter to you. When you put those videos on your blog, you want to make sure that you're still using a search-based title, as well as making sure to really optimize that blog as if it was a typed blog. You even can put in notes with the video, kind of like show notes, to help to maximize the SEO of that. But this is a great way to really leverage your video, and having videos on your website makes you 53 times more likely to pop up in Google search than if you don't. So I definitely recommend using your videos in this capacity. Option number two to using your videos to create blog posts is actually to take these videos and have them transcribed. Transcribing the videos helps to maximize the content that you created. Now, you're going to need to format that content into blog posts that make sense, how we say things in video, and how we demonstrate what we're talking about via stock video or add-ins, perhaps how we're expressing something through our body language doesn't translate into the text. So you want to make sure that you read through that transcript and then really format it into a readable blog. I really like otter.ai for transcription, but there's other things like Rev that work really great. And you can always hire out content repurposing to really make the most of what you're doing. For more content repurposing ideas, click the video I'm putting on the screen. What is content repurposing, to really help you make the most of your efforts. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.